Ever wondered what those diamond-shaped placards on trucks mean? They form the DOT Hazard Classification System to guide safe transportation of materials and emergency response decisions. Class 1 covers explosives. These are materials that are capable of detonating or deflagrating. Class 1 comprises 6 divisions, including mass explosion hazard, projection hazard, and fire hazard. Next comes Class 2, which includes hazardous gases. Division 2.1 covers flammable gases. Division 2.2 includes non-flammable gases that may displace oxygen and/or pose a projection hazard. And Division 2.3 pertains to toxic gases that are hazardous when inhaled. Class 3 covers flammable liquids that release ignitable vapors at certain temperatures. Common examples include ignitable solvents, such as acetone and isopropyl alcohol, and fuels, such as gasoline. Class 4 covers flammable solids. Division 4.1 covers easily ignitable solids. Division 4.2 involves substances that ignite in air or self-heat when they come in contact with air. And Division 4.3 includes materials that react dangerously with water. Next is Class 5, which covers oxidizing substances. Oxidizers contribute to the combustion of other materials. Division 5.1 includes oxygen-yielding oxidizers, such as hydrogen peroxide and calcium hypochlorite pool disinfectant. Division 5.2 covers thermally unstable organic peroxides capable of self-accelerating decomposition, such as methyl ethyl ketone peroxide and benzyl peroxide catalysts. Class 6 is next, which includes toxic and infectious substances. Division 6.1 involves poisonous materials such as pesticides and cyanide salts. And Division 6.2 includes pathogen-containing substances capable of causing disease, such as hepatitis virus and Bacillus anthracis. Class 7 covers radioactive materials emitting ionizing radiation. These materials require strict control and shielding during transport. Next comes Class 8, which includes corrosive substances that damage skin tissue and corrode metal. Examples include sodium hydroxide and battery fluid. Class 9 covers substances and articles not covered in other classes that are so designated by DOT, or that meet the defining criteria of hazardous wastes, hazardous substances, marine pollutants, or elevated temperature materials. Examples include lithium batteries and dry ice. To learn more about these classes, take a DOT Hazmat training course with Hazmat School today.